Good morning, study hall. Hope you all are doing good and taking care of yourself. I came to know you had a very nice, fun activity of finger puppets with Sangeeta auntie last week. I hope you people made it also. So today I have come up with a new activity, and you must be wondering why Amna auntie is sitting with all these fruits. Yes, because today I'm going to tell you to make very cute small things like caterpillar, butterfly, bird with the help of fruits. Yes, not with the pencil and colors like I always do. So even I am learning to do new things at home, and I expect you also to try different activities. Good. So let us begin today and hope you will enjoy it. Okay children, so today we will be making salad with the fruits as well as the vegetables, and this all stuff everybody has at home nowadays. The market is full of vegetables and fruits, and we are getting it at home also. So to begin with, today we'll make first a very simple one with the help of oranges. And oranges you all should have in abundance these days, because it is full of vitamin C that you need for your immunity. So if you can see, I have taken a whole orange and a peel I have cut. This way I'll place the orange here, and I'll make two eyes. The peel obviously you're not going to eat, so I'm just making the eyes with the black sketch pen. And then of this peel I'll make two horn shape over here, and after that you will guess that which cute little animal it is looking like. So there is nothing, just this is for the decoration. To start with a simple one, we'll cut and then we'll put here. So if you see, which animal is it looking like? A cute little snail, right? Can you see? Fine. Afterwards you can throw this peel and you can just have the orange. The second one with the orange is, we'll divide it into two parts this way, here, and I'll keep one half in the plate here in the center, one piece here and one piece here, and the other rest part of the orange here, and I make a little pout out of the tomato. So now tell me which little thing it is looking like. And if you want, for the eyes you can just put two cloves over here. Clove is also very good for your immunity and health, but later on you can remove this clove. So it is basically the decoration thing. So you can see it is looking like a cute fish with a pout, right? Now the same fish we can convert into a turtle. Okay, now see, with that half orange and 4 pieces of this on the sides, and then again to just add a little fun part to it, I'll add 2 eyes with the pen. This is the piece of the peel. I'll show it to you. It's this shape peel you can keep here this way under the half part of the orange, and then see, it is looking like a turtle all ready to swim. So these are all the basic decorations to start with. You can take help of your parents, your grandparents, make it a family fun activity and involve everyone. Now next, can't you see these tomatoes are looking like poppy flowers? So what you can do, you can make 2 little poppy flowers also, just for to add the decoration on your salad plate. 2 stems with the cucumber or this kakadi, I hope you people know, it is also a kind of cucumber you can do. And while you are using the knife, please be careful.
you will not use the knife, sorry, you will ask your parents or your grandparents to help you, or some elder person in the family. Children, please don't cut on your own. It is dangerous. You might chop off your finger along with the salad. So this way I will cut, and see how two little cute poppies I have made with the tomato and the cucumber here. See? Nice. Now, this cute little poppy can also be turned into a butterfly. I'll show you how. So this piece, again, with the help of your parents or some elder person in the family, you will cut it into half, and same things you can rearrange here to make it a butterfly. See, I use the same stem of the flower to make the body. I have cut the tomatoes into two halves to make it a butterfly. If you want, you can add a head here with the grape, a half piece of grape, and I am cutting this into small parts if you want to add this to your butterfly. See how easy it was with the same poppy flower thing that you used. So another butterfly, I'll tell you, instead of these tomatoes, what you can do, you can use the half ring of the onion. See, one this side and the other this way. Here you can put, so this becomes your onion butterfly. If you want to add a little color to it, you can chop off the tomato that you had already used and you can decorate it here. Fine. So this butterfly we made out of the vegetables. I'll show you how we can make the butterfly with the fruits as well. So I'll take the two pieces of orange that we had taken, and here the body we can make with the grapes this side, this way. So you can make the butterfly. This is all very easy, which you people can do. Just involve your parents, your brothers, sisters, and make. So 3 kinds of butterflies I told you. Now to make the caterpillar, you can use either all banana pieces. See, I have cut this banana. This, you can either use all these banana pieces overlapping here, a long caterpillar, and the head you can make with a grape piece. Fine, just arrange and make your caterpillar. Oh, the banana is a little slippery, never mind. You can keep 2 pieces of the grapes to make the caterpillar. Now again, if you want, you can add an eye with the clove to make your caterpillar look a little more interesting. Here, fine. One caterpillar you can make with the help of the cucumber. See, here you can place the cucumber again in this form only, semicircle, here, here, and you can make cucumber. The head you can make with the orange if you want, or if you are not liking the orange, then you can take a piece of tomato and you can add the head again with a simple eye this way. Fine. So then again, if you want, you can put one banana piece, one grape, one banana, one grape. That way also you can make your caterpillar. So again, a nice thing for placing the salad. Okay, now the same caterpillar that we made with the cucumber, you can make a different a snake also here. I'll show you how. Again, this cucumber needs to be cut in 2 pieces. Take the help of some elder person, your mommy, your daddy, and arrange the half pieces this way. One this side and one that side. I have cut the same cucumber. So you have to keep in mind that you don't have to waste so much of fruits and vegetables. Try and reuse. If you are just practicing, so reuse the same. And once one salad plate is done, then you can try on the other one. Now for this, you will use a small piece of tomato I have cut to make the tongue of it here. Fine. And again, if you want, you can add a clove for the eye. See? So now it is making its way into your salad plate. Now I'll tell you how to make a palm tree with the help of banana. You will peel off the banana and again take somebody's help to get it cut into half. Half piece you will keep aside for further use, and half piece you will place like this in the center of the plate here. Put some oranges this side to show the sand part. You can show this way, the ground. Fine. And if you have kiwi at your home, you can take kiwi as well. Else you can take this half grapes to do the leaves of your tree this side. So arrange, you can see the whole plate you can fill with one single arrangement. Make it for your parents, your grandparents. They'll give you their blessings. We need our blessings in abundance these days. So make it for everyone at home, and it is very simple. See? So this you can use, or either the half cucumber. Now grapes I have removed. You can also use these half cucumber pieces that we had just cut for the caterpillar or snake, whatever you can call it, and then you can arrange them here. So this will also look like a tree. So just so simple, and the arrangements are so pretty. You can do it at home every day. One single presentation you can do for your loved ones. Okay, the tomato that we had already cut, we'll take a small piece of the tomato and a big one. Then we'll use a clove for the eye and a small triangular piece here. Then some coriander leaves, or if you have spinach leaves, you can take one single leaf of that and put here as the wings. And then again for the legs you can use 2 cloves. So this will look like a cute little bird which you can place in the center, and all around this you can put other vegetables for your salad. Okay, now I'm going to cut this into half. Fine. And I'll just remove little of the seeds from here, not the whole, a little bit. I'll remove the seeds from here. Then I'm going to put some cheese. You can add some cheese here and a ring of onion this way here. And a piece of grape you can add, so it will look like a snail, isn't it? Same you can do, another piece of this you can take, and you can fit a piece of cucumber and a head with the grape, and add a little cheese here so that it stays. And this you can just pop inside your mouth. Just pick one snail and pop, right? See, so 2 cute little snails you have got. Okay, now tell me, what is it? The small one. It is looking kind of a dolphin. So I'll tell you what to do. Take half piece of the banana, and from here just slit it a bit. But don't waste this piece, please. Eat it up, okay? Slit here, take this piece out, and with the help of other piece we'll make the tail. One triangle from here we'll cut, fine, and we'll make the tail, fine, and another triangle cut for making the fin. Here, I know this is not coming perfect because of the banana, it is too this side, and you can just add a eye here, and with the small little piece of banana you can just make the beak. So 2 dolphins out here, and with the help of orange you can show the waves here, fine. I know it is a little difficult to cut the banana because it was slippery. Okay.
Okay, so we are done with the small placements that I taught you today. I hope you enjoyed and you will try it every day. Make it for your parents, for your grandparents. They'll feel loved. They'll give you your blessings that we need in abundance these days. And do wear an apron like I did. No use of knife. I told you, you will take your elders' help, your mommy, your daddy, or somebody elder in the family. Please, children, don't touch the knife. Don't get into any trouble. Okay? And once you are done with everything, help your mama in cleaning the kitchen. You are study hall smart children and you will not leave anything in a mess. You will help your mama, you will clean the thing, then only everybody will enjoy the work. So do small placements of the salad, fruit salad, vegetable salad. Take your grandparents' help. They are full of ideas. So take new ideas from them and do the placements for them, serve them, and be a happy, nice family. Take care of yourself and stay healthy.